if you're looking for this kinky texture straight wig on a synthetic budget for $40, you gonna get the looks. And that's what we are all about right now. We are about the looks. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today we're doing a wig Sensationnel by WigTypes. If you don't know what WigTypes is, it's an online beauty supply store. You can get your wigs, your wig essentials, your hair beauty stuff, anything. It's a beauty supply store online. I absolutely love them. The shipping is fast. So today we're going to be talking about this wig from Janet Collection. It's from the Melt Collection. And last week I did feature a Janet Collection Melt wig that only had a lace part, but this one got a frontal, y'all. We got parting space. We got parting space. Bam! We got parting space. Bam! We got a lot of parting space in this one, and I like her. Hit that subscribe button and definitely turn your notification bells on, because the way I have been dropping videos, you don't know what I'm gonna drop, y'all. So you don't know. I'm not on a schedule. I do drop a lot of videos on this channel, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, but my life is crazy right now, so hit that notification bell all the way up so you definitely are notified when I upload. And let's get started.
Moment of honesty, someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here and tell you all that comes to me. And if you have something to say, you should say it right now. You should say it right now. You ready? You give me a feeling that I've never felt before. And I deserve it, I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. You should say it right now. This is exactly how it should feel when it's meant to be. Time is only wasting, so I'll wait for eventually. If we gon' do something about it, we should do it right now. Hey, you give me a feeling that I've never felt before. And I deserve it, and I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore.
Real quick, I'm gonna have to just jump back in when I put my face on and finish up, and I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit, but the sun is setting, so we need to hurry this up. Alright guys, so we're done putting on this wig. I don't even know what I showed y'all in this install. I'm gonna try to make this real quick. A few specs on this wig. So this is the Janet Collection Melt wig. I have the style Kendall and I have the color TT1B Velvet Wine. This is a naturally textured wig. This is from the Melt Collection. It does come with a 13x6 lace frontal, so you do get a lot of nice parting space in here. As far as the cap construction goes, you do get that stretchy ventilated cap in the back, so it's fitting pretty comfortably to my head. This is from the Melt Collection, so it's known to melt down to your scalp. I've reviewed plenty of Melt Collection wigs before, and I actually love Janet Collection Melt wigs. They are absolutely amazing. They do melt down to your head. So let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. So I didn't really show y'all the whole install. I hope y'all had a happy holiday. I've been running around all day. I'm sorry. If you don't feel like hearing this part, go ahead and skip to the whatever next part of the chapters, okay? I want to talk to the people real quick. So today I did have to go to the bank. If you've been following me on my Instagram stories, you do know that I had a fraudulent charge on my bank statement. So I had to go get a new debit card and deal with all that mess. So I did start installing this wig in the sunlight, and now it's dark. It's dark. As much as I tried, I tried my best to hurry up and give y'all those natural sunlight pictures. I just couldn't get it done. So the pictures that you see are studio light. It is dark outside. But with that though, this wig is still melted. This light is high density light right now. And This wig looks amazing. I did go ahead and put some baby hairs on this wig off camera. I like baby hairs. You may not like baby hairs, but I like baby hairs. I like slight baby hairs. Do what you feel like you need to do with your wig. I'm doing what I need to do with my wig. As far as the hairline goes, this hairline was nice. It was really, really nice. I like how pre-plucked it was, but I did go in just a tad and tweeze it up some. But for all my beginners out there, you know, I don't think you need to. It does have a lot of nice parting space in here. Don't mind the fact that I'm using scissors. I can't find a comb right now. I said it's a crazy day. It's been a crazy day, y'all, okay? I didn't have to go in and tint this lace at all. It did match up to my complexion pretty well. I did just use a little bit of the bronze that I use for my makeup on this lace just to darken it just a tad. I did go in with a little bit of powder in this parting space, and I also did do another style, okay? Boom, boom, boom. I did that updo for y'all, but I do like the wig down, so I did go ahead and come back with the wig down. I do like the layers in here. This wig definitely is reminding me, we're just gonna go ahead and say it, it's reminding me of Sensationnel Dasha. It is pretty much the same exact texture, and then you get those nice layers in the curls in the front here. So this is what the wig is looking like with the hair all to the front, and then in the back. But I do like it. I feel like it's a good density. I like this wig. The color blend on this. It is this velvet wine color, and I did have to try a new color because it's a new color. I do like this blend. It kind of threw me off a little bit because it's not just a wine color. It is wine mixed with amber. So it's a little chunky with the colors of 99Js and ambers, so keep that in mind. But overall, it is a nice color. I've been wearing this wig all day, and it's been growing on me. It's definitely been growing on me. As far as the way I installed it, I used my Got To Be glue gel, and I used my bedhead spray, and she is secure. She is secure. The only con that I do have with this wig is that she is shedding. She is shedding. I was hoping it was because of the way I tweezed it, but the more and more I do play with her, she is shedding. She's not shedding uncontrollably, but she definitely is shedding, so I want you guys to know that. But because of the density of this wig, you know, I don't think the shedding is gonna matter because it's a good density and it's manageable. I combed out this wig and it's manageable. I'm running my fingers through it. It's manageable. I did have to go on with a little bit of synthetic wig spray and a little bit of serum because this wig is a little dry. I'm not sure if it's just the color that I got, but it is a little dry. So overall, I do like this wig. This is one of those wigs that I would probably go in after I'm done kind of wearing her for a day or two and shampoo her and put some fabric softener on her. It's a little dry for me, but I feel like this wig can definitely soften up with some fabric softener, with some serum, and also your Revlon blow dryer. That brush blow dryer, you just go in and smooth it out a little bit and she'll smooth out. But she still is giving me natural texture goodness. It was Black Friday last Friday, and I went ahead and bought me a human hair kinky straight wig, and those wigs are over $200. But this one is only in your $40 range. So if you're looking for this kinky texture straight wig on a synthetic budget for $40, you gonna get the looks. And that's what we are all about right now. We are about the looks in this color. I didn't have to go to the salon to pay for this color and blow out my hair. So I'm feeling this wig. I definitely do recommend this wig. If you want to see more pictures and more styles, definitely follow me on my Instagram and Miss Khrissy. Shout out to WigTypes for sending over this wig. I really do appreciate you guys. If you like content like this, hit that thumbs up. I do a little bit of makeup, I do a little bit of skincare, and I do a lot of wig reviews on this channel. I definitely have that content for you. Hit that subscribe button, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye.
Hey,